This is problem 3B from practice quiz 1. Again, here I have placed my x variable, which has 4 scores under it. And over here we have the equation we need to solve. We have sigma x squared plus sigma parentheses x plus 1. And before I begin, I'm going to remind us of the order of operations that we use. So we have parentheses squared, and then we know we'll do a summation, but before that comes multiplication and division, and after we have addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this equation over here we have 2x, 2 places for x, and so all I'm going to do is take this list of x and substitute it in both places. So for this one, I'm going to have 4, 2, 6, 2, and bring down the square and the summation and the plus. And again for this one, I'm going to do the same thing, 4, 2, 6, 2, and the parentheses and the summation. So all I did so far was just substitute in my list of numbers for x. Now I'm just going to follow the order of operations, and my first is the parentheses. And I have parentheses here, which require that I add a 1 to this list of numbers. So what I'm doing then is doing 4 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 6 plus 1, and 2 plus 1. And I get a new list, so I have 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 2 plus 1 is 3. And my parentheses goes away, and all I have left is here is the summation. And I haven't done anything on this side, so I bring all of that down. Okay, the next operation in my order is the squaring, and here I have squaring. So I'm going to square each of these numbers. And so now I have a new list. 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4, 6 squared is 36, and 2 squared is 4. So now that squaring goes away, and I'm left with summation. And I'm going to bring down this piece all together. Alright, my next operation would be multiplication or division, and we have none up here. After that comes summation, and we have 2 to do. We have one right here and another one there. So all we're doing is adding those lists of numbers. And so on my first list, 16 plus 4 plus 36 plus 4 comes out to 60. And then on the other side, we have 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3. And that comes out to 18. And all I have left is this addition symbol that I'll place there. And that is my last order. That is my last operation to complete. So I have 60 plus 18. And that gives me 78.